Looking for a secure, private cloud storage solution? Let me show you how to set up and use Proton Drive, a privacy-first cloud storage app from the makers of Proton Mail. Let's go. First, head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Proton Drive. Tap Install, and once it's downloaded, open the app. You'll need a Proton account to use it. If you already use Proton Mail or Proton VPN, just sign in with the same credentials. If not, tap Create Account and follow the quick steps. No phone number required. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean, minimal home screen. Uploading files is super simple. Tap the plus icon and choose whether to upload photos, videos, documents, or create a new folder. You can even select multiple files at once. And here's the best part. Every file is protected with end-to-end encryption before it's uploaded. So not even Proton can access your data. You can long press on any file to rename it, move it, or organize it into folders. Everything feels intuitive and snappy. Need to share something? Tap the share icon, and Proton creates a secure, encrypted link. You can even set an expiration date, add a password, and control whether others can download the file or just view it. It's private sharing on your terms. Now, let's talk storage and settings. From the menu, you can easily see your storage usage. Proton Drive gives you 5 GB for free, and you can upgrade for more space with Proton's paid plans. In the settings, you'll find options to switch themes, enable file previews, and even manage offline access. It's clean, minimal, and respects your privacy every step of the way. And yes, Proton Drive works on desktop too. You can access your files at drive.proton.me from any browser, or sync between devices seamlessly. So if you're tired of big tech spying on your files, it's time to switch. Proton Drive gives you encrypted, secure, and private cloud storage. No ads, no tracking, just peace of mind. Try it out today and take back control of your data.